Welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix sign up errors into your Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, if you are also having sign up errors into your Instagram, the first thing you should do is to check up your internet connection is correctly fit or not. In order to do that, just simply open any of your browser and go to the website of fast.com, and into here it will show the current speed of your internet connection, and if your internet connection speed is right, then this is not the issue. And the second option you should try is to put on a VPN and try signing into your Instagram. Also try doing that, and third and most effective option is to try to sign up with the different phone number or email address into your Instagram. Then there is very high chance of success in making Instagram account or signing up to your Instagram. By following these very easy steps, you can easily make account or sign up into your Instagram very easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.